Welcome to the company presentation at Commodity TV. Sibanye Gold is the 9th largest gold producer of the world and the largest in Africa. With a market cap of around $3.5 billion, is the company a heavyweight in the gold space. They are based in South Africa and produce gold from 4 mines with uranium as a byproduct. Sibanye pays dividends and produced in 2016 around 1.6 million ounces of gold. The reserves stand at sensational 31 million ounces gold and 114 million pounds uranium. They produced in 2015 with AIC of $1,031 per ounce gold, with a falling tendency to $895 per ounce of gold as reported in their Q1 2016 report. The operational margin for 2015 stood at solid 28%. Let's have a look at the 4 producing mines. Sibanye bought the Wits Gold Properties, continues to their Beatrix operation and consolidated their company position as a top gold producer in the most southern extent of the Witwatersrand Basin. Today, mineral reserves of Beatrix should allow an estimated production at least until 2029. The Cook operation was first started at the Western Areas gold mine in 1961 as a consequence of the gold and uranium exploration of the Ellsberg Formation in the 50s. The current mineral reserve should give a production until 2023. Driefontein started production in 1952 and is officially the most prolific gold mine ever, with a production of 108 million ounces gold in the last 63 years. The estimated reserves should allow a production at least until 2042. Clove is the 4th mine and shall produce at least until 2033. Sibanye holds an interest of 33% in the Refinery, which is one of the world's largest gold refineries and the largest in Africa. They mine, extract and process gold ore to produce the respective products and the rebars, which will be in the Refinery refined to gold bars with minimum purity of 99.5%, corresponding to the good delivery standards of the London Bullion Market Association. This refined gold is then sold on the international markets. Sibanye invests and develops various projects for organic growth like Clove and Driefontein, despite further infrastructure projects in the western edge of the Gauteng province. Sibanye invests outside the gold space too, to provide in the future rising dividends and to diversify the company. They bought in 2 separate transactions the Rustenburg Platinum Properties from Anglo American Platinum and Aquarius Platinum Limited in 2015. Through this, they want to be in the top 5 rank of the world's platinum producers by 2017. Now they want to lift synergies and bring further down the production costs. 2015 and the first quarter 2016 was very profitable for Sibanye. The operating profit stood at 2.7 billion rand, which is a great result despite the much lower gold price. The all-in sustaining costs were set at $1,031, and in the first quarter 2016 they already produced 360,000 ounces of gold with costs of only $895 per ounce of gold. The operational profit stood at $160 million with an AIC margin of 24%. The net debt without the Burnstone acquisition was reduced from 1.3 billion rand down to 591 million rand. A dividend payment of 960 million rand is already deducted. In the peer group is Sibanye in all valuations areas heavily undervalued. Sibanye is a financially strong company and even better makes profit and is cash flow positive and pays dividends. The company growth in the platinum area is a good step to diversify and de-risk the company for the future and makes it even more solid with likely growing dividends for the future. Check it out. Thanks for watching us. Bye bye from Munich.